Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your listings on Facebook Marketplace. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to see where their listings are on Facebook Marketplace. How do you actually go ahead and see that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to go into the Facebook app. Next, you're going to click on Marketplace on the bottom left-hand side. Or if you don't see that, you can click on Menu on the bottom right-hand side and then click on Marketplace. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, we're in the Marketplace section. Click on Sell on the upper left-hand side, and then afterwards, click on Your Listings on the top-hand side. Once you've done that, you'll see all your listings listed here. As you can have a card binder under review, but if I click on that listing, I'll be able to actually go ahead and edit it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and view your listings on Facebook Marketplace. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.